Frozen in time for 40,000 years. Liquid blood still preserved in their veins, intact organs, their last meals preserved in their stomachs. Climate change is melting the Arctic permafrost, and what's emerging defies belief. Tonight, 10 extinct animals found frozen in time, creatures so perfectly preserved they look like they died yesterday. Stay until number 1, scientists tried to clone it. The permafrost is Earth's deepest freezer. For hundreds of thousands of years, it's preserved life in perfect suspension. Siberia, Alaska, the Yukon, Arctic graveyards holding creatures that vanished when ice covered the world. But now the ice is melting. Rising temperatures are opening these frozen time capsules, revealing preserved flesh, fur, and organs from animals that walked the earth when humans lived in caves. Tonight, 10 discoveries that rewrote our understanding of extinction, each one a window into lost worlds. Asterisk starting with a creature that showed us exactly how it died. Number 10, steppe bison asterisk, frozen testimony of ancient violence. The find, asterisk decades ago, gold miners near Fairbanks, Alaska, uncovered a 36,000-year-old steppe bison nicknamed Blue Babe for its distinctive blue-gray coloration. The preservation, asterisk skin, muscle tissue, and internal organs survived intact, but most shocking were the preserved claw marks and bite wounds across its hide. The science, asterisk the wounds revealed exactly how this bison died. Deep claw marks and bite damage matched to Ice Age big cats, likely cave lions. A predator attack frozen in forensic detail. Why it matters, asterisk for the first time, we witnessed Ice Age predation patterns preserved in flesh. We could see how extinct predators hunted where they struck, how prey animals fought back. Asterisk but predation evidence was just the beginning of what permafrost preserved. Number 9, ancient caribou asterisk, the Yukon's perfectly preserved wanderer. The find, asterisk in 2016, Yukon placer miners discovered a complete caribou carcass in permafrost near Dawson City, dated to approximately 50,000 years ago. The preservation, asterisk soft tissues, fur, skin, and internal organs survived the millennia. Even delicate structures like hooves and antler velvet remained intact. The science, asterisk DNA analysis suggested this wasn't exactly the same as modern caribou, but a closely related Ice Age population with genetic adaptations we don't see today. Why it matters, asterisk this specimen bridged the gap between extinct Ice Age fauna and their modern descendants, showing us evolutionary changes in real time. Recent discoveries were revealing more than bones, they were preserving thoughts. Number 8, Yukagir mammoth asterisk, the creature that kept its brain. The find, asterisk discovered in 2002 by Siberian ivory hunters in the Yukagir region. This adult mammoth died around 22,000 years ago. The preservation, asterisk the most shocking discovery wasn't the preserved hair or skin, it was the intact brain tissue. Actual neural matter preserved in ice for over 20,000 years. The science, asterisk brain tissue analysis revealed the internal structure of a mammoth brain, real neural tissue, not just an empty skull. For the first time, scientists could study the actual anatomy of an extinct giant's brain. Why it matters, asterisk this was the first time we could examine the preserved mind of an extinct megafauna species. It revolutionized our understanding of Ice Age animal intelligence. But brain tissue was just the start. Recent discoveries were getting even more impossible. Number 7, a recently discovered baby mammoth asterisk, one of the freshest finds from thawing permafrost. The find, asterisk in the early 2020s, herders and miners in the Arctic uncovered a baby mammoth calf emerging from thawing permafrost, dated to tens of thousands of years ago. The preservation, asterisk nearly complete preservation. Fur, skin, trunk tissue, internal organs, even eyelashes survived intact. It looks like it could wake up. The science, cutting-edge CT scanning and genetic analysis are currently revealing unprecedented details about mammoth physiology and development. Why it matters, asterisk this is happening now. Climate change is accelerating permafrost melt, revealing creatures faster than we can study them. We're in a race against time. Recent finds were shocking, but some discoveries revealed humanity's darkest impact. Number 6, stellar sea cow asterisk, the giant we hunted to extinction. The find, asterisk since the 1980s, preserved skin and tissue samples of stellars sea cow have been found in cold, near-freezing coastal deposits and caves around the North Pacific. The preservation, asterisk thick skin samples, blubber, and subcutaneous tissue survived in near-freezing conditions. Some samples were preserved well enough to study skin thickness and tissue structure in detail. The science, asterisk DNA analysis confirmed these were from the massive 30-foot marine mammals that went extinct in 1768, just 27 years after their discovery. Why it matters, asterisk this creature was driven extinct by human hunting in recorded history. Finding preserved tissue connects us directly to a species we destroyed. Human-caused extinction was tragic, but some extinctions happened while humans watched. Number 5. Mummified moa asterisk, the giant bird that humans hunted to extinction. The find, New Zealand caves have yielded mummified moa remains, some with preserved feathers, skin, and muscle tissue dating to 500–600 years ago. The preservation, dry cave conditions and cold temperatures preserved feathers, skin, tendons, and even stomach contents. Some specimens look recently deceased. The science, DNA extracted from preserved tissue, has allowed scientists to reconstruct most of the moa genome and map out their evolutionary history. Why it matters, moa went extinct around 1400 CE, killed off by Polynesian settlers. This isn't deep time, these birds lived alongside modern humans. Recent extinctions were sobering, but the next discovery was unprecedented. Number 4. Cave lion cub, one of the first frozen ice age big cats in history. The find, discovered in Siberia's Yakutia region in 2020, announced to the world in 2023. A complete cave lion cub, approximately 37,000 years old. The preservation, this is one of the first mummified ice age big cats ever found. Fur, whiskers, claws, facial features, everything survived. It looks alive. The science, for the first time, we could see what an ice age cave lion actually looked like in life. Fur color, facial structure, body proportions, everything was theoretical until now. Why it matters, this single specimen rewrote cave lion biology. They weren't just supersized modern lions, they were their own distinct ice age predator. Cave lion cubs were shocking, but liquid blood was impossible. Number 3. Ancient horse foal the impossible preservation. The find, discovered in Siberia's Batagayka crater in 2018, this foal died approximately 40,000 years ago. It shouldn't exist in this condition. The preservation, fur, organs, muscle tissue, and incredibly, liquid blood still preserved in its vessels. 40,000-year-old blood still liquid. The science, scientists extracted cells from the liquid blood and tested whether any structures were still intact enough for analysis. DNA analysis revealed this was an extinct subspecies of wild horse with unique genetic markers. Why it matters, liquid blood preservation for 40,000 years was considered impossible. This discovery shattered our understanding of biological decay and preservation limits. Liquid blood was impossible, but perfect preservation was about to get even stranger. Number 2. Luba the most perfectly preserved mammoth ever discovered. The find, found by reindeer herder Yuri Cutie in Siberia in 2007. Luba died 42,000 years ago at just 1 month old. The preservation, 90% intact. Organs, muscle tissue, skin, hair, trunk, even her last meal preserved in her stomach. She looks like she's sleeping. The science, Luba's stomach contents revealed her mother's milk and fecal matter. Evidence that baby mammoths ate their mother's dung to acquire essential gut bacteria. Why it matters, Luba revolutionized mammoth biology. We learned how they nursed, what they ate, how they developed. She became the mammoth science template. Luba became the reference specimen for mammoth biology. Every new mammoth find is compared back to her. Perfect preservation was incredible, but the next discovery made scientists dream of resurrection. Number 1. Yucca the mammoth they're trying to bring back. The find, discovered in 2010 in Siberian Permafrost, Yucca lived 39,000 years ago. She wasn't just well-preserved, she was perfect. The preservation, brain tissue, bone marrow, muscle, blood vessels, and most incredibly, dark viscous fluid extracted from around her heart, likely containing preserved blood components. An adult mammoth with preserved blood. The science, Yucca's preservation quality allowed extraction of remarkably intact cell nuclei. DNA so well preserved that de-extinction became scientifically possible. Scientists have used tissue from Yucca and other mammoths in cutting-edge experiments, culturing cells, sequencing DNA, and even inserting mammoth genes into living elephant cells. They're not growing full mammoths yet, but the groundwork for de-extinction is being laid right now. Why it matters, Yucca sits right on the threshold between extinction and resurrection. Her DNA is good enough that bringing mammoths back has moved from sci-fi concept to active research program. Somewhere in a laboratory right now, Yucca's cells are growing. The line between extinct and alive has never been thinner. 10 creatures, 10 windows into lost worlds, 10 miracles of preservation. But here's the urgent reality. Climate change is melting the permafrost faster than we can excavate it. Every year, more specimens emerge and more decompose before we find them. We're in a race against extinction twice. Once when these animals died, again as the ice that preserved them disappears. Some discoveries offer hope. Yucca's DNA might bring mammoths back. Others warn us about human impact, stellar sea cow, the moa extinct by our hands. The permafrost holds more secrets. Complete ecosystems frozen in time, creatures we've never imagined, and perhaps the keys to undoing some extinctions. Which discovery shocked you most? The liquid blood, the saber-toothed cat, the cloning attempts? Drop your thoughts below. The ice keeps revealing its secrets and we keep investigating. Next week, the prehistoric creatures that survived every mass extinction. They're still alive today.